Hello guys, this is Salik Abdul Rahman. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can take backup of your WordPress website and how you can migrate your website from one domain to another. There are many plugins available in the market, but mostly are paid, and some of them are free, but they don't allow to download the maximum content. Okay, there are some limits like you can download 200 MB or 300 MB. Okay, for example, if we are doing a business or we have uh, like e-commerce store with the size of 5 GB and 6 GB or 10 GB. So in this situation, what we need to do? Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the best plugin of the migration and to take backups, and I will also share the Google Drive link with you guys in the description of this video. All right. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to install those plugin. When you upload, this is the name of that plugin, all-in-one migration. Okay, install that plugin and activate it. After activation, you need to update that plugin. Otherwise, it will not work perfectly. Okay, and then you need to upload the extension of that plugin, like unlimited extension of that plugin, and then activate it. Okay, so now we have all-in-one migration and backup, all-in-one WP migration, unlimited extension. So if your site will be like 50 GB, so then you don't need to worry. You just need to create the backup and just download it. Okay, so first of all, I need to show you how you can export your file, and then it's the same procedure for the importing. Like this is my domain and I want to download that website in my local computer. So what I need to do, click on that plugin. You can see there is export site to. I recommend the first one, file. When you click on that button, so it will prepare for the download. It will take some time, and then it will show you the exact size of your website. We just need to wait a little bit. Once it's done, so for one click we can download that website in a file. Okay, it's 74%. Actually, in my site there is nothing, so uh, most probably your site will take more time uh, for the preparing of exporting data. All right. So guys, it's 94% complete. So the wait is must. Okay. So if you stop exporting, the so it will stop obviously. So just wait a little bit. Actually, I wanted to show you how it will look like. That's why I am waiting with you. Okay, so download salik.local. So my website size is 520 MB. Okay, when I click on that, so it will start downloading. All right. So how you can import that website on the other domain? So you need to go that import button and click on import, and the first one is file. When you click on that, so find that file and then open it, so it will install on the other domain. All right, this is a simple use of that element, and I will share the link in the description. Okay, see you in the next video.